Good morning, students. Welcome to you in e-learning classes of Standard 7 is organized by Modern English School, Nevada. I myself, Revti Raman, mathematics teacher of Modern English School, Nevada. Students, today I shall discuss with you about division of integers of chapter 1 integers. Division of integers. First of all, divide sign of integer. So plus divided by plus equal to plus. Minus plus divided by minus equal to minus. Minus divided by plus equal to minus. Minus divided by minus equal to plus. Clear? Division of like sign, division of two like sign is positive, and the division of two unlike sign is always negative. Now, properties of division. Properties. Properties, first closure property. Division is not need follow closure property. First property, a divided by a equal to 1. Integer, same integer divided equal to 1. Second, integer a divided by 1 equal to a. Third, a divided by minus 1 equal to minus a. Fourth, 0 divided by a equal to 0. And fifth, integer a divided by 0 equal to meaningless, not defined. Modulus of integer. Modulus of integer. Sign of mod is this time. It is the sign of mod. The positive or negative value of mod integer is always positive. Mod of positive a equal to a. Mod of negative a equal to a. That's a mod of 5 equal to 5. Mod of minus 5 equal to 5. So, mod of any integer is always positive. One example of division, 18 divided by minus 6. 18 divided by minus 6. So plus divided by minus equal to minus. 18 divided by 6. 6 3 is 18. So quotient is 3 answer. Next example. Minus 20 divided by minus 4. Minus divided by minus plus. Division of like sign is always positive. And 20 divided by 4. So 4 5 is 20. Answer. Students, understand and write it. Students, now I shall solve exercise 1C of chapter 1 integer. Some questions are written here. Question number 1 of 1, 65 divided by minus 30. So write 65 divided by minus 13 इक्वल टू 65 by minus 30 plus divided by minus, result is negative, and 13 5 ja, so minus 5 answer. Question number 6 equal to minus 72 by minus 18. Minus 72 divided by minus 18. So minus 72 by minus 18. Minus divided by minus plus. Division of like sign is always positive. And 18 4 ja 72. So result answer is 4. 4 is the answer of this question. Question number 9. 0 by minus 31. Divide 0 by minus 31. So write 0 divided by minus 31 equal to 0 by minus 31. 0 divided by minus 31 equal to 0 answer. And minus 8 by 1. So write minus 8 divided by 1 equal to minus 8 by 1. A divided by 1 equal to A. So similarly, minus 8 divided by 1 is minus 8. Answer of this question. Students, understand and write it. Students, next question of exercise 1C. Written on this board. Question number 2. Fill in the blanks. Here we shall fill blank place. Question number 1, 5, 7 and 9. And question number 3, write true false. Type out true false. Question number 1, 2, 3 and 4. First question, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. First question is 72 divided by what number divided by 72? So quotient is minus 4. 72 को क्या चीज से डिवाइड किया जाए कि माइनस 4 रिजल्ट आ जाए, क्वोशिएंट माइनस 4 आ जाए. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल डिवीजन प्लस डिवाइडेड बाय माइनस, क्वोशिएंट इज माइनस, सो साइन माइनस होगा. एंड 18 4 जा 72, सो माइनस 18 डिवाइडेड बाय माइनस 18. 72 divided by minus 18 equal to result is minus 4. 18 4 ja 72 and plus divided by minus equal to minus. Question number 5. Fill place divided by minus 1 equal to 36. किस नंबर को minus 1 से डिवाइड किया जाएगी 36 आ जाए. Result is positive. So division number minus divided by minus equal to minus divided by minus equal to plus. So 36 1 का 36 divided by 1 equal to 36. So minus 36 divided by minus 1 equal to 36. So answer is minus 36. Next question number 7. 39 divided by fill place, result is equal to minus 1. 39 को किस नंबर से डिवाइड किया जाए कि क्वोशिएंट माइनस 1 आ जाए. तो 39 is positive number, so it is divide also negative number, so result is positive. इसको नेगेटिव से डिवाइड करेंगे तब क्वोशिएंट नेगेटिव आएगा, because 39 is positive number. Now a divided by a equal to 1, so 39 divided by 39 equal to 1. So 39 divided by minus 39, result is minus 1. Next 9 number, minus 1 divided by fill place equal to minus 1. माइनस 1 को किस नंबर से डिवाइड किया जाए कि माइनस 1 आ जाए. तो किसी भी नंबर को अगर 1 से डिवाइड करते हैं, a डिवाइडेड बाय 1 इक्वल टू a, सो डिवीजन नंबर इज है डिवाइडर 1. minus 1 divided by 1 equal to minus 1. Minus divided by plus, minus 1 divided by 1. So minus 1 divided by 1 equal to minus 1. Write true or false. 0 divided by minus a equal to 0. 0 divided by integer a equal to 0. So it is true. And question number 2. Minus 6 divided by 0 equal to 0. No. A divided by 0 result is meaningless. So here integers minus 6 divided by 6 equal to 0. Not true. False. किसी भी इंटीजर को अगर 0 से डिवाइड करते हैं तो वो मीनिंगलेस होता है, बट हियर रिजल्ट इज कोएफिशिएंट इज 0, सो इट इज फॉल्स. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. -5 divided by -1. Result quotient -5. It's wrong. False. Minus divided by minus plus. But here minus divided by minus minus. So it is false. -5 divided by -1 equal to 5. But given answer is -5. So it is false. Next question number 4 is -8 divided by 1 equal to -8. The rules, law, properties, -8 divided by 1 equal to A. A divided by 1 equal to A. So -8 divided by 1 equal to -8. It is true. Students, understand and write it. Now, today your homework is solve exercise 1C. Thank you. That's all.